Disclaimer: all events in this video are purely fictional, including the people mentioned in said video. Viewer discretion is advised.
This message is transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service. A tornado watch has been issued at 4 p.m. this evening for the following counties: Canadian, OK Oklahoma, OK Cleveland, OK and McLean, OK. Remember, a tornado watch means the environment is favorable for severe weather including tornadoes. Please stay attuned to this station for further information on this possibly dangerous situation.
Looks like there is a severe thunderstorm warning for most of Oklahoma County and Cleveland County, but there is a tornado warning in place for Canadian County. If you live in Canadian County, get to your safe place immediately. Our weather spotters have spotted a large, dangerous tornado forming southwest of El Reno. Again, if you live in El Reno, get to your safe place immediately. It's possible that the tornado warning could extend into Oklahoma County including Oklahoma City. That's what we are predicting, but it can't be exactly confirmed at this time. Wait, we are getting something. Okay, the tornado warning turned into a tornado emergency for the El Reno area. This isn't good. We at CACO 5 urge you to seek shelter from this incredibly dangerous storm. Our weather spotters confirmed that the tornado I described earlier is traveling northeast to El Reno at 53 miles per hour. The reports I have been seeing had been very grim in nature. In a town called Anadarko, skyscrapers have been destroyed, above-ground safe rooms have been damaged or destroyed. Even people have been impaled by debris. This isn't good, folks. Folks, this isn't good. I've been getting reports about the community of Minco being destroyed by this strong tornado a couple minutes ago. Reading our report, unfortunately the residents didn't survive. There is so many reports coming in about this that we can't keep up with them. This storm yet again is extremely dangerous. We urge you to get below ground and protect your life at all costs. According to our weather spotters, the tornado in nature is violent and is about 4 miles wide, breaking the record of the El Reno tornado in 2013. The tornado is heading towards El Reno as we speak, according to our data we gathered. After it goes through the El Reno metro, it's supposed to go east towards Oklahoma City. Oh wait, we are getting something. Oh no, this is very disturbing in nature. The tornado has already hit the city of El Reno, and according to storm chasers, the situation is very dire. Houses have been completely swept from their foundations, high-rise skyscrapers have been knocked down, and the hospital was destroyed by this dangerous tornado, killing all patients and medical personnel inside. This is terrible. My supervisor is saying we need to get to the basement at this moment. Wait, a broadcast from the emergency alert system is coming through. Remember, do anything in your power to protect yourself from this dangerous storm.
This message is transmitted by the request of the National Weather Service. A tornado emergency has been issued for the Oklahoma City Metro. The tornado in nature is 4 miles wide. Winds are reported to be 327 miles per hour, topping the enhanced fugitive scale. Do the following actions: get to the lowest level of your home and protect yourself from flying debris. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. This message is transmitted by the request of civil authorities in conjunction with the National Weather Service. An evacuation order has been issued for the entirety of Oklahoma. The supercell thunderstorm has grown larger in size after hitting Oklahoma City. This storm is also reported to be producing unusual weather such as acid rain, hailstones the size of boulders, very strong to violent tornadoes, lightning with a distinct shaded red that disintegrates any organic life in a 2-mile radius. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Take food, water, pets, personal belongings, and most importantly, money. Tie a towel to your mailbox to show authorities you have abided by the evacuation order. Choosing not to evacuate, you will be putting yourself into serious danger. Goodbye, forever to the state of Oklahoma.